guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'll show you how to create this look, which is really rather simple. I use the eye glisten in It's Fate by Makeup Revolution. I've decided I'm gonna create a look using every single one that I have. Since I have all of them, I might as well make a look with all of them. So I've decided to use It's Fate, which I've decided is, for me, the best one. Because the metallic side is very beautiful and pigmented, and so is the glitter side. The glitter side comes out way better than the other ones, most of them. I just think it might be the colour in particular. So this is the look I came up with. It's very, I'm not going to say the words, the same 3 words that I say all the time. It's basic and easy to duplicate, because I ain't saying the same words that I usually say. So this is it. If you want to see how I did this, please continue watching.
So starting off with the Too Faced Mary Macarons palette, I'm going to take Dolce de Leche, which is a really nice matte brown, and I put this on my eyelid through the socket. Then I take Almond Mocha from the same palette and I put this on the outer corners of my eyes, blending this onto my lash line so it almost looks like a smoky lash effect. Then I blend this from the outer corner into my socket, not taking it all the way in but just pushing it into the socket on the outer corner. Then taking the Makeup Revolution eye glisten in It's Fate, and I take the pearlescent side first and I blend that out with a fluffy brush, and then I put some more on again and I blend it out again. I like to use the fluffy brush. Then the glitter side, which is the flip side of that, I apply that on in small strokes, making sure I get like the full pigmentation of the product. This one's the best one in my opinion. Then I take the Gosh Infinity Liner in Earth and I place this on my lower lash line and in my waterline, and I really smoke it out on the lash line, making sure like the creamy pencil is really getting in there in my lashes, you know. Then I take Almond Mocha again, which is that deep brown, and I blend out the pencil so I get like a really nice smoked out lower lash line. Then I take the Lash Queen London Honey lashes and apply those babies on. They're very natural and very wispy and I love them. Then I take the Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co Cosmetics lip pencil. It didn't have a name on it, so it's pink. Then the Orza Beauty lipstick in Awa. I can't pronounce it, but it is a nude kind of matte lipstick. So this is the final look. It is a easy glam look, very simple, very quick to do. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.